We are having a floating breakfast.
These are the cute ice baths.
3, 2, 1.
Bro!
I don't wet.
Hi guys! Welcome to
Hello.
another episode of More Mau. And Mau is going to Thailand for a work trip for 7 days. मैं रोक के आ रही हूँ.
This is the first time that she's going and I'm gonna stay at home. So
He
I
will
understand
taste-
what she goes through when I travel. And I'm gonna miss her a lot.
He's gonna have the taste of his own medicine.
But I'm gonna miss you. Travel safe, okay?
मेरे को इतनी आदत हो गई है ना अभी शादी के बाद ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है लाइक यू आर सो यूज्ड टू ईच अदर बट या
It's gonna be a very good trip,
Yeah.
a very content-driven trip. I hope
कंटेंट
so.
ड्रिवन से ज्यादा आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर द unwind
Experiences?
that I'm gonna
Yeah,
do because
unwind.
October has been so
Yeah,
crazy
You
that
deserve it.
I'm gonna end October on a good note hopefully.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm gonna vlog everything in Thailand. We are at the airport.
Yeah.
We're just gonna eat something and then I'm gonna head and see Alfia because I think she has already reached. I'll just call her.
If you guys have watched our travel vlogs, we have a ritual that we always eat at the airport. But because I'm not going inside this time, so यहाँ पे drive through में McDonald's है, so we have stopped there at the
भूख
airport
नहीं है
itself. हाँ,
रिचुअल के लिए
थोड़ा
हम
सा
खा
खा
रहे
रहे हैं हमने बस medium fries and nuggets लिए थोड़े and then we're gonna eat and she's gonna go inside. I'll wait till the baggage goes in
Yeah.
and then I'll wait till the flight takes off.
Hi guys, we have landed. सब कुछ हो चुका है visa and all of that. And अभी बैंकॉक का जो होटल है that's Avani plus Riverside. Wow, my hair is a mess. And that is like a 1.5 hour drive. And again, I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna pass out because so exhausted. But I am excited for this.
और वसूली भाई
Hangry mom.
what have you ordered
Mango sticky rice. And margarita and pad thai.
your first meal in Thailand is mango sticky
Yes,
rice
we are all like very very hungry at this point. So हमने check in भी नहीं किया है. We like पहले खाएंगे फिर देखेंगे.
mandatory room tour. I love my room. It's so spacious. So आते ही left में there's like a counter situation and here's the bath area and this is the toilet. This is the closet space. I anyway have to stay here for like a day, so I'm not gonna unpack. I love this place because यहाँ से natural light आ रही है and I can just do my makeup here. So great. Then here's a massive bed, another mirror, and we have the pantry. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा storage है. यहाँ पे chair है. And this is the view. Oh my god. This is my first time in Thailand and I'm missing Sahil so much because we really wanted to come to Thailand because he's done like a few weddings here and he really likes this place. The place that we are going to go to actually the Avani. He has done a wedding there, so he was like, "You have to go to that resort. It's beautiful." Right now we are staying in Avani Plus, which is in Bangkok, and then tomorrow morning we'll be leaving for Hua Hin का Avani resort जहाँ पे सारा पूरा meditation and जो wellness retreat होने वाले हैं. I'm so excited because October was so tiring. तो अभी प्लान ये है कि हम सोने वाले हैं. Everybody has their own room. Alfia and Natasha are on this side. Natasha is from the brand team, by the way. Sheena is in this side ka some room. We thought of going and exploring, but everybody's so tired. And after eating good food, we're in food coma, so we want to sleep. तो अभी बजा है 1:30 दोपहर का. Let's see, 3:30-4 को we'll take a call if you want to go explore quickly and then come back and get ready for the cocktail bar situation. But
I'm gonna go eat and have some good mocktails. So yeah, this trip is going to be just about chilling, meditation, workout, Zumba, and just enjoying life.
One eternity later.
Good morning, हुआ है मेरा अभी. I have nicely showered and I put the lenses, I put the moisturizer, and my hair is a mess. So we are going to corral it. Then I'm going to show you my outfit. Wow, ये देख मेरा हाथ देख.
Day 2.
Good morning. This is the outfit and this is my chappal. Good morning, Alfia. Good morning. कल रात को बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने. Though we both don't drink, but it was so much fun to like meet the team and they were so cool. It just didn't feel as if we are meeting them for the first time.
एक्चुअली ना मतलब फर्स्ट डे हम लोग की जो भी आइस ब्रेकर थी या
Yeah, मुझे थोड़ा सा awkward लगने वाला था because I was like, oh my god.
Like I saw you opening up. Like
Yeah.
I saw you from the airport
Yeah.
last night. She
Yeah.
was a different
And I don't socialize. Like I'm not that person who like goes and talks to people सामने से. Not that. मतलब मुझे डर लगता है. But yesterday I was like, oh wow. because सामने वाला इंसान भी वैसा है.
इंसान वैसा ट्रीट कर रहा
एंड
है.
बहुत अच्छी वाइब थी टेबल पे. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फोटोज हमने क्लिक किए. आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे सब देखने मिलेगा. बट राइट नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू हुआ ही. इट्स अ 3.5 hour drive. Before that we are going to have some breakfast. So let's go. Okay, so we have come for the consultation. We were waiting for our lunch, but अगर हम wait कर ही रहे तो we were like, चलो ये consultation कर लेते. So they are going to do some consultation. Wow, I must have said consultation 3 times in this clip. But basically, they are going to inspect our body and tell us if there are some issues and what can we do to fix it. This is my room. Let me show it to you. This is the gate. Let me show you. It's massive. Okay, so this is like the entryway. We have the door over here, and this is a big closet. And then we have the bathroom. Let's go. As soon as I saw the bathroom, I am missing Sahil. I wish my husband was here with me. Look at this. We have 2 separate sinks. Then we have the massive bathtub, a shower area, and the toilet. Guys, I can practically live in the bathroom. It's so big. Look at this. Okay, now the main part. This is my room. Oh my god. This is not the best part. मेरे रूम में steps है उतरने के लिए. And then there is a separate dining space. Again, there's a fridge. You can keep stuff. It's like a kitchen situation. Then we have a sofa right here, a TV, and then my pool. Like it straight away opens into a pool. This is such a like couple's room. And if you have gotten married, if you want to come with your girlfriend, boyfriend, or whatever, please do check out this property. Like you literally have the pool at your disposal. Then this romantic corner right here. You both can sleep right here. I'm not gonna be here. Otherwise, I'm gonna start missing Sahil way too much. So, what is this? Oh my god, Avani, you have outdone yourself. Like, I have to climb in my room to get to my bed. Crazy. ये कौन है? ये अल्फिया का भूत बैठा है बाजू में.
I am your neighbor.
She's my neighbor. We both are working. Work from office. Sorry,
Work from bed.
bed. मैं मेरा व्लॉग एडिट कर रही हूँ, ये कुछ
मेरा stories डाल रही हूँ.
फाइनली अल्फियाज पोस्टिंग स्टोरीज गाइस. तो हमारा काम चल रहा है. अभी बजे हैं 10
which
But
is
India
India के
में
8:30.
8:30. So which is good because now हम सब वाइंड अप करके हमारा जो पोस्टिंग टाइम है इंडिया के हिसाब से वी कैन स्टिल.
It's the best whenever we are traveling.
इस
and we are
दिन
ahead.
पेरिस में था.
Yeah,
If
we
I'm
were so
not wrong,
happy.
we were
yeah.
happy
No,
कि-
Bali.
हाँ बाली में
बाली.
था कि
Yeah.
ऐसा हो रहा था. वी वर हैप्पी क्योंकि जब उल्टा होता है तब फिर लग जाते
लग
हैं.
जाते
देन वी
हैं.
हैव टू लाइक शिट वहां पे 7 बज गए और यहाँ पे अभी 4 ही बज रहा है. फटफट
Yeah.
काम करो, फटफट काम करो. वील सी यू गाइस टुमारो.
It's gonna be fun.
Day 3.
Hi guys, we are having a floating breakfast. मुझे कुछ खाने का मन तो है नहीं. I'm just drinking my coffee. But we have Alfia and Sheena's recording my video. Back cam से खुद को भी shoot कर रहे
There's some oatmeal. I think there's some lasagna.
हैं.
There's
For
some
breakfast. Some chicken, some noodles,
fries नहीं है.
fruits. Oh, I can have
Maybe I'm
fruits.
just mad. There's I think burrata toast or something.
The floating breakfast is done. All the pictures are done, and now I'm going back to my room. But we have to get ready for TRX. I've never done it. I have no idea what it is, but I'm scared. More than that, I'm scared for the ice bath. So, पहले वो TRX है, and then we are gonna do the ice bath. It's like the itinerary is so fun. Like something is keeping us excited the entire time.
A few moments later.
क्या
Yes.
करने वाले हैं हम?
बोला मैंने TRX, and then
अच्छा,
उसके
बोलिए.
बाद ice bath.
I'm excited to see Mount which makes sense. अभी तो फुल अपनी जिम एरा में है वो. Let's see.
कुछ जिम मेरा नहीं है. मेरा
देखते
पटेला वगैरह है मेरा.
हैं. Is she gonna be a baddie or is she gonna be a saddie?
Hey, shut up! I'm gonna be a badgie only.
मेरे को क्यों लग रहा है मैं आइस बात में रोने वाली हूँ ब्रो. पता नहीं मुझे तो फीलिंग आ रही है.
I'm
But
gonna
like
cry.
because it's too much pain and मतलब
हो जाएगा. Mentally prepared.
इंशाल्लाह let's
Yeah.
go.
It's fun. Guys, how do you all feel?
Energized and dead. Like how can
This
you be
one
energized
was
and
like, make us cry. She told the trainer, make us cry, and then she only cried.
Yeah. So now we're going for the ice bath.
Everybody's pumped up. Guys, are you ready for the ice bath? Woo! Let's do this. It's ice bath time, you guys. I am so excited. These are the cute ice baths. Oh! Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Cheers! Yay, to us! Yes! Okay, I've come back to the room. It was crazy. We did it like, I did it twice. 40 seconds and maddening. What an experience, but oh my god, I loved it. So right now we are changing and we haven't showered because हमारा अभी होने वाला है hammam, massage, scrub, whatever. Like I am so excited for it because if you guys know me, you know that I am an addict for massages, like Sahil and I both. So I'm very excited. पर पहले हम खाना खाने वाले हैं. Everybody is hungry because breakfast इतना हमने किया नहीं. So everybody is dead hungry. So हम बस change करेंगे फट से कुछ comfortable. So I think I'll wear a night dress only or like a normal dress and I'll go head to the lunch area and then the hammam. Now I don't know how much I can record because वो पूरा ऐसे घिसने वाले हमको नहलाने वाले and all of that. So I don't think I'll be able to like I won't be comfortable basically. I'll try my best, but let's see.
20 minutes later.
it's good.
This is nice.
Yeah. Use your finger and
It's 3 p.m. हम बस से गप्पे मार रहे थे एंड अभी हम निकले हैं. वाओ, वी हैव टू इधर से चल.
So now we are going for our aromatherapy massage and then hammam na pehle massage aromatherapy.
It's a part of hammam only.
Alfia has done it before when she was in Turkey. I haven't. So I am very excited. और हमारा जो आज TRX आपने देखा होगा इतना बॉडी वेट्स के साथ हमने खुद का सब किया है तो मेरे ट्राइसेप्स तो गए हैं पूरे एंड अल्फिया की कोर गई है आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग तो वी आर एक्साइटेड थाईलैंड आके थाई मसाज ब्रो So we have got our forms and the best thing is that isme you can see we can actually tell them where we want the focus to be. That's so cool. I've never seen this.
Yeah, so you can tell them which muscle you actually want more tension. And
Yeah.
for example, they've asked the purpose for visiting.
Yeah.
So मैंने इधर लिखा है muscle tension release. So like they know how much pressure and
To
what-
put. That's so like this small things matter, you know. Wow, I'm excited. Neck also.
Excited बच्चों की तरह.
See, I'm circling everything. Then I want my forearms also. Forearms, please. Actually, do everything. Guys.
इतना डिटेल में नहीं भरा मैंने जितना तू उसको मार्क वार्क करके बता रही है.
Guys, do everything. She's literally mark with O.
Oh
so I
my
mark
God.
everywhere. Wow. हमको हार्ट अटैक आ गया गाइस जब उसने बोला हमको सिर्फ ये पहनना है जी स्ट्रिंग जो दैट मीन्स नीचे लंगोट ओके
और मैं इसको बोल रही हूँ ये ऊपर पहनना और अंडरवेयर.
हाँ शी इज लाइक जी स्ट्रिंग ऊपर मैंने बोला पागल जी स्ट्रिंग नीचे जाता है फॉर नाउ वी आस्क्ड हर कि प्लीज हमको ऊपर कुछ दे दो वी आर ऑकवर्ड टू बी लाइक कंप्लीटली नेकेड ऊपर से तो शी इज गिवन अस द ब्रा फाइनली तो अभी यहाँ से आपको कुछ देखने नहीं मिलेगा ओके बाय बाय
See you soon.
सी यू थैंक यू सो मच
Later that same evening.
सो अभी बजे हैं शाम के 6:30 और अंधेरा चालू हो चुका है एंड वी हैव कम टू दिस लाइक अ ग्राउंड सिचुएशन दैट्स द बीच वी आर गोना गो देयर इन अ बिट द प्रॉपर्टी इज ह्यूज लाइक हमको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है होपफुली कल करेंगे अभी हम थोड़ा पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर रहे हैं अल्फिया भी है मेरे साथ
She is lying. She won't do it. I've been telling her since 2 days. And she's like,
2 days के लिए टाइम ही नहीं था हमारे पास
tomorrow.
इट वाज रेनिंग कांस्टेंट
No, so basically यहाँ पे सीन ये हो रहा है कि अपने यहाँ पे सनसेट मैक्स टू मैक्स 6:45 को हो जाता है. यहाँ पे 5:45 को अंधेरा हो
सब कुछ
गया.
अंधेरा हो रहा है
एंड हम लोग
एंड इट्स
को
रेनिंग आल्सो डे में रेन हो
yeah,
रहा
so
है
it's so gloomy. The light is so bad कि हम
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं ले पा रहे हैं. बट अब हम जो भी मिल रहा है ले
ले लेंगे गाइस ये इतने से गली ब्रो I don't you were bit by something you screamed like mad person
इतना आगे था.
I told you high tide है देखो मेरे को ऐसा पतली गली में बिठा दिया है क्या है ये टॉर्चर ये देखो
I put her in a cave. It looks like a cave.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, Mau.
morning it's 7 a.m.
Come on, Bobby. Let's do Zumba.
Alfia woke up at 6 I woke up at 6:45 but we both are ready at 7 who cares both are ready for Zumba let's do this
Yeah, the golf cart is taking us to the studio now. मजा आएगा.
सब दुख रहा है बट आई एम एक्साइटेड बिकॉज़ आई थिंक वो जुम्बा करने से थोड़ा खुल जाएंगे
थोड़ा
muscles.
एक्चुअली लूज हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
Yeah, let's do this.
Much later.
Hi guys, so right now it's 10 o'clock and we are going to a monsoon valley. So it's a winery. This is what my outfit looks like. Finally, I washed my hair, you guys. I just need to like straighten this part a little bit. ये बहुत frizzy हो गया, like the top part. That's it. बाकी this is fine. I like this volume from this side. Let's do that. My makeup is very basic. मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है. I'm just gonna put some mascara and lips. Alfia's calling me. Wait. We have left for the winery. This is our van. Let's go.
All of this food is just for Mau alone.
Yes.
One more thing is coming. Wow.
You're also gonna eat this.
प्लीज ये सब इसी का खाना है, ये तुमको बस दिखती है भोली भाली चिंटू सी बट शी इज अ हैमस्टर.
बाल फ्रिजी हो चुके हैं, सब कुछ हो चुका है, बट मस्ती लुकनी नहीं चाहिए. So we are going inside the entire plantation and everything. Though it's raining cats and dogs, like you guys can't see it, but बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. But still, you're gonna continue with the
पहली बार I'm seeing so much, like I'm actually seeing the winery and वो
Same thing, even I haven't
grapevine
seen
ना
it.
कभी
I
भी
haven't
नहीं
gone to
देखा
Sula
है.
or
सिर्फ वो
whatever.
बचपन में सुना था फॉक्स एंड द ग्रेप्स वाला स्टोरी, अभी हम लोग फाइनली देखने वाले ग्रेप्स.
No, but we're gonna see the elephants. Maybe, not sure.
Yeah, it's a meet and greet with elephants after the. It's written
It's written
there.
outside. That's why.
हाँ, excited for that.
The rains have kind of ruined the plan, but the property is so beautiful. Let me show you what I'm seeing right now. This spreads across 397 acres. हम अभी बस वही टूर लेके आए हैं. So beautiful. Love it.
The next day.
Good morning. It's 6:55. Another day of waking up at 7 o'clock. I'm all set. I just have to do some skincare. I slept with like wet hair. Anyway, so we had yoga by the beach. But Thailand rains have ruined most of the stuff on this trip. But the josh is high. Everybody's up. So we are gonna go to the wellness center again, जहाँ पे Zumba और वो सब हो रहा था. बाकी का workout also. Wow, what is this? S for Sahil.
Alfia सो रही है. Still, so she said to आगे जा, and my buggy has not come. So we are running to the wellness center. I am running 7 minutes late, which I don't like. So this is the setup. I'm so excited because yoga is my favorite thing to do. Like, I will do yoga my entire life if I have to choose one form, and that's yoga. So I'm very excited. Ooh, let's go. Okay, so everybody has a different thing to do according to what they need. So my body is still sore, my shoulders are hurting AF. So they're going to do like a potli massage, if I'm not wrong. So Alfia also had the same thing, but she wanted to do a facial, so she switched the last day. Can't believe it's the last day, but I'm excited. I don't know how much I can record. I'll try to record at least today. Let's see. Let's go. Massage.
Pori.
Yeah,
To put
the
a
massage.
around like a Ayurveda Indian
Yeah,
style.
yeah.
So that's for you.
Okay.
The massage.
Excited.
Yes.
A few inches later.
Hi, so it's 4 p.m. and finally थोड़ी बारिश रुक सी गई है. And right now I'm heading to the beach because yoga भी by the beach होने वाला था, but वो rain की वजह से cancel हो गया. But finally we are doing the healing, sound healing meditation kind of. I have no idea. I've never done it. I'm very excited for it. It's right here. Like the beach is at the walking distance. I don't know if you guys can see the beach. Look at this. This is what I'm looking at, you guys. This is what it looks like. अभी फिलहाल gloomy है because forecast है rain का इसीलिए, but otherwise the skies are blue.
It's gonna rain very quick.
So we have to finish it. The rain is ruining things, you guys. There was a wedding here and that got ruined, बेचारे. I can only imagine वो लोग का क्या हालत हुआ होगा. But anyways. Hi.
So close to crying. I don't think I need. This is like happened at the right time somehow.
Yeah,
I need
this is meant to be.
meditation and
Yeah.
healing.
It's meant to be, guys. Hi, Patty.
Hi.
Oh, they're so pretty. They're singing bowls, right? Wow.
Sorry, this better. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to Crystal Sound Healing with Kathy again. Woo! Okay.
You all look so cute. See you. Yes.
Eventually. The next day.
Guys, we are eating mango sticky rice one last time. Can't help it. We are up late. The boarding has still not finished, so we want to just finish our food first so we can sleep. I'm feeling guilty because I don't want people to smell mango, but we have smelled worse. Yeah. So yeah.
Meanwhile.
So guys, we have reached the airport and we are waiting for, who are we waiting for? Waiting for my wife and her mom. But yaar bab tu jaldi aana. I've just reached the airport. It's around 1:30ish and India has just won the World Cup. तो सब वही देख रहा था मैं आके. And Mansi is, I think she's just landed and she's walking towards immigration and bag and everything. So I'll see her soon. Very excited. Evie, very excited, na? Oh. Good job. Good job. See you soon, guys. Bye. We have reached the arrival place, and मैं हमेशा ये spot पे बैठता हूँ. If you see, it's a small bench. Yes. Hi, yes. Hey guys. Yes, as I was saying, अभी just a Mau family. Very cute. So yeah, as I was saying, मैं हमेशा एक छोटे से bench पे बैठता हूँ because a lot of people sit पीछे, वो पूरा area भरा हुआ होता है. But I've always seen ये bench खाली होता है. So it's my own hack कि I sit here. कोई आजू बाजू नहीं, कोई टेंशन नहीं कि ईवी को कोई टच करेगा ना होता है. So yeah, we're just waiting for Manasi to come. I've told her to exit from the gate C, which is here only. So when she comes, हमें सामने से दिख जाएगा. Okay, bye bye.
Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the vlog. So basically, Avani Plus is a property that took us for this trip and they wanted to showcase everything that they have to offer. Now, it's not just an influencer thing that उन्होंने सिर्फ हमारे लिए किया, ऐसा नहीं है. If you also go there, you can do the exact same things that I did, right from the ice bath to the massages to the monsoon valley thing. They'll arrange a trip for you. So everything that I did is for you guys as well. So that was the whole point why they took certain influencers, because this is something that they want to really promote and put it out in the world, and I feel it's worth every penny. I'm sure that you must have understood it from the vlog itself. मैंने सब कुछ very raw रखा हुआ है, so you would know कि ये सब ऐसा कुछ forced reactions नहीं थे मेरे. Everything just felt so nice, and if you want that complete reset before this year ends or after the year ends, do check it out. I would highly recommend it. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.
Good enough. Hey, my pity and my pity and my good enough. Hey, chopper on a nigga, turn him to a sprinter.